Well, according to the Congressional Quarterly, House and Senate Democrats are in a bit of a fix. They're chomping at the bit to enact their doc fix legislation, which would establish the money to pay doctors to treat Medicare patients for the next 5 years. The problem is they may not have the votes to pull it off. Democrat leaders are uncertain if their plan, which costs $88 billion, will win the support of Republicans and the so-called moderate Democrats because there aren't any offset spending proposals. This is all new spending. It's money that we don't have. And if you think the $88 billion represents a good deal for doctors, House Ways and Means Chairman Sander Levin, Michigan Democrat, says the doc fix will hold off the scheduled cuts doctors are threatened with, but it will freeze payments at last year's rates for the next 5 years. And here's what's not being reported. This doc fix was supposed to be included in Obama's healthcare takeover legislation, but Obama and his Democrats postponed it just so they could claim their bill cost under $1 trillion. But last week, the CBO announced that they'd actually calculated an additional $115 billion in new spending, driving the total price over $1 trillion. Now, we told you then that more spending was coming. So this week, add another $88 billion, and we can promise you again there will be even more. The bottom line is that since Democrats passed this monstrosity, and they passed it alone, let them fix it. Republicans ought to get nowhere near this except to repeal it.